We are now connected with our own reporter Andira Putri and video journalist Dian Merdekawati. On the scene, Andira, can you tell us about what's happening there and how does this name change affect the society?
Hi Rory and Yani, you might notice a change on the street name behind me. So this street used to be Senen Raya Street, but like since several weeks ago, it has changed into Haji Imam Shafi'i Street. So Haji Imam Shafi'i is a Jakarta prominent figure, so who used to be a street fighter in Senen area. So he helped people that are in needs, and then help the community around here, help resourcing the youth, and then due to his services for people, the government got impressed by him and then recruited him into the military. And in fact, at some point, he even became some kind of like a defense minister. So this is really a huge tribute for him. And then and why for those of people who live in Senen area, especially for those who have been here since different generations, the name Haji Imam Shafi'i, or also known as Bang Shafi'i, is they already familiar with his name. However, for those of us who didn't live within the area, we might not be familiar with his name. And that is why Jakarta City government decided to change 22 street names, including this street name, to give to increase people awareness on the Jakarta hero, as well as become a token of appreciation towards their services. So in here, I mentioned to you that this is actually a huge change because Senen Raya is a main road. In here, like you might notice that the traffic in here is really busy. There are a lot of cars. In fact, beside me is the Transjakarta Path. There is stops near there, and there's a mall. There's also a lot of shops. So this is really a busy area, and it will take some time for people in here to adjust with this change. I actually had a chat with people who have lived here since long time ago, and he mentioned that he's still getting adjusted to the new name. He's still known in the Senen Raya area, and people around here, most of them, if they pass this street, they still refer this to Senen Raya Street. And then the government also mentioned that people didn't have to worry too much regarding the change of documents related to the address, such as identity card, family card, vehicle documents, or land certificate, because it will change gradually. So if their documents hasn't been expired yet, they didn't have to change directly, as it is still eligible. And also for people who are going to change this, the government ensured that it will be free of charge. And for in this street, the situation might be a little different because actually it passed like 450 meters until the Gatot Subroto Hospital, and most of them are actually local businesses and also small shops. So there are no more houses on the main street. It is only on the small gang. However, for the small gang itself, it didn't actually consider as the Senen Raya Street, so people didn't have to change their address. However, for the local businesses in here, there might be some change on the land certificate and also the address. And right now, I had a chat with the local people who live here. It is still being discussed among the local authorities within this neighborhood. Once again, I mentioned that people didn't have to worry too much. Everything will change gradually. So just try to get accustomed to the new name. So instead of saying Senen Raya Street, now we can say it Haji Imam Shafi'i Street. And this is actually only the first phase because the government will continue to do so to other streets. Back to the studio.
Thank you so much, Andira, live from Senen Raya, which now the name the street has been changed.